This literature kit on Holes by Louise Sachar combines comprehension and vocabulary, making it useful for both students and educators. 55 pages chock full of Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Make an assumption as to what crime Stanley committed prior to reading the novel. Record the social order of the boys at Camp Green Lake on a diagram of a ladder. Provide picture clues to help remember the meaning of the vocabulary words. Use clues to infer details about Hector's life. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as creating a handbook to help Stanley deal with bullying. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Create character cards about one person from the novel, answering questions such as how the character acts, feels, and likes. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.